The big game is nearly here, and beyond rooting for your team, enjoying the commercials, snacking is a huge part of viewing parties. And if you're one of tens of millions of Americans who would be tuning in to watch the event and you're wondering what to serve, we have some delicious, crunchable, lighter versions of your favorite game day snacks.
Yes, we certainly do. So if you like savory crunch, try revamping your traditional party mix recipe with some roasted chickpeas. You can either make them at home or purchase them at the store. They're crunchy, so you're going to get the same satisfying crunch that you would from traditional party mix, but you're going to add more fiber and more protein to keep you full and satisfied. Now, to control the amount of sodium, you can try opting for bold spices or choose a salt-free seasoning blend to control the amount of sodium in the
Yes,
snack.
and that's something you're sneaking in, people will not even notice. That's
No.
kind of the theme here. And this is a traditional 7-layer dip, but what we're sneaking in is an actually frozen rice vegetable blend. I love these Veggie-Fuls. They actually come pre-seasoned, but they're still lighter on the sodium. And you're just going to use your refried beans, which are going to add some plant-based protein and fiber, layering up your cooked cauliflower, and then you're going to finish that off with some guacamole. Replacing sour cream with Greek yogurt is going to offer a similar flavor, but more protein and less fat. And then finish off with your favorite salsa and cheese. Of course, it looks exactly like that 7-layer dip we all know and love, but we don't realize we're getting that extra serving of nutrition from veggie heavy
Yes,
sides.
you wouldn't even know it. And you can certainly pair that with tortilla chips instead of
Yes.
vegetables because the vegetables are already in the dip, right?
Yep, that's right, yes.
So for a high protein and lightened up take on your deviled eggs, you can try these guacamole eggs instead. Now this recipe replaces the mayonnaise with some healthy fats and some fiber and potassium from the avocado and the guacamole. You simply hard boil eggs and remove the yolk and replace it with that guacamole. This cuts the total fat, saturated fat, and cholesterol actually in half. And it also adds fiber and vitamins and minerals.
Yes, and you can make your own, but the store made one that you'll find in the produce section is phenomenal, and it's that good chunky flavorful guacamole.
Yes, it is.
And of course, as we talk about, all of these are kind of adding more protein or fiber. Protein is going to help you feel full and satisfied. So serving up a lean chicken skewer, these are simple. You get those tenderloin, put them on a skewer, and then use whatever sauce or seasoning you prefer. But if you want to go with a lighter option, opting for a G. Hughes or a Primal Kitchen, they have no sugar added barbecue sauces. There's still all the flavor there, but you're not going to be missing out from cutting off that sugar, which is great.
That is such a smart idea, and it's hard to find sauces without sneaky sources of sugar.
That's
so these
right.
are really great options. Now, a perfect final addition to balance out game day snacking is picking up a vegetable and fruit tray from Food City. This will add a bright pop of color, and it's an easy way to sneak in an extra serving of fruits and vegetables and some extra nutrition as well. You can serve it up with some Greek yogurt mixed with ranch to make a nice dip, some hummus, or your guacamole. So for more game day meal inspiration, you can visit foodcity.com for more recipes.